In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add any photo, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to attach. If you can't find them here, you can tap on Folders, look for your photo and click on it to add it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!